Hi there, students. This video is going to deal with two verbs that maybe you don't know. To flounder and to founder. So the only difference is an L, but the meaning is different. Well, firstly, a flounder is a type of flat fish. It's like a sole, one of these flat fish. To flounder means to struggle clumsily, to flop about like a flatfish out of water. Flopping about, but not actually being able to accomplish anything. And then we can use it for people to say to make unskillful attempts to regain your balance, to clumsily try and control your situation physically. I fell over in the deep mud and floundered, unable to get back to my feet again. The man did not know how to swim and floundered in the water. So he's thrashing his arms about, he's moving wildly, but not actually doing anything to any effect. Now, flounder is more commonly used figuratively, meaning to act or to speak in a confused and directionless way. When you're unprepared for something, you might flounder, you flap about trying to find a solution to it. The reporter asked him some difficult questions, and he floundered trying not to answer them. I floundered for a plausible excuse. And once you start umming and erring when you're going to give an excuse, that's already the beginning of floundering. The actor forgot his lines and floundered about until the prompter reminded him what he should be saying. The economy is floundering. It's struggling, it's stalling, it's faltering. The project is floundering as there is no clear leadership. It doesn't know where to go. People don't know what to do. Okay, so to perform in an unsteady way, in a faltering, unsteady way. Yeah, I just floundered there just a second, but I'm fine now. Okay, now let's look at the verb to founder. To founder means to fill with water and to sink. This is particularly for a ship. The ship filled with water and foundered. Yeah, to fill with water and glug, 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 glug. But we more commonly use it meaning to fail. So the ship foundered in the storm and was never seen again. The project foundered, it sank, it failed. So to founder, to fail, to be unsuccessful. The company foundered and went bankrupt. Maybe the company floundered for quite a long time, flapped about, not knowing what to do, and then it foundered. It sank, it failed. The marriage soon foundered, failed, totally collapsed. The project floundered due to lack of leadership, and then it foundered, it sank. So floundering often happens before foundering, but something could just founder directly. Actions to save a doomed and founding career could be defined as floundering. So he was trying to take actions to save his doomed and floundering career, to stop it from foundering. Okay, to founder also has another couple of meanings. We use founder to mean to trip or to stumble and then to go lame. And they use this word particularly commonly with horses. If you're lame, you can't walk properly. The horse foundered and then went lame. A founder could also be a person who founds or starts something. The founding fathers of America. And a founder could also be a person who works in a foundry. A foundry is a place where they melt metal and pour it into molds. But let's go back to the main thrust and let's not go off at a tangent. So to flounder, to flip-flop about ineffectually, to try to do things which are ineffectual and you have no direction. Yeah, floundering about, not knowing what to do. And then to founder, to fail or to sink. There was a huge wave and the ship foundered. His attempt to win the championship foundered. They failed. Notice both verbs are regular. So he floundered for 10 minutes. He has floundered all day. The business foundered. The business has foundered. And then let's see, formality. To flounder, I think I'd give this a 5 in formality. You can use this anywhere. I think it probably sounds best in an informal setting, but you could use it in a very formal writing as well. I think to founder is a little bit more formal, maybe a 6. Probably better in a semi-formal or formal writing. I think informally, to fail or to sink. So to flounder, to flop about, or to founder, to sink or to fail. Now we need to look at the origin. So to founder comes from French fondre, to send to the bottom, which comes from Latin fundus, the bottom. That's easy. Flounder's a bit more difficult. Maybe flounder is a mix of the verb to flounce, or to founder, a mix of those two words, and to blunder, to make a mistake. Notice as well this FL beginning, fl. We've got flap, flutter, float, flip, and it's got this idea of this floundering movement. Yeah, flip, 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 flip. You can even hear me. Well, that's maybe because of the onomatopoeia. So, to flounder, to flip-flop about without direction. To founder, to sink or to fail. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Founder and flounder.